Here's how to make a shoutout command for Streamerbot. Make sure your Twitch account is linked and logged into Streamerbot in the Platforms tab. Then go to the Commands tab, right-click, and make a new command. I'll name this shoutout, and I will make the commands !shoutout or !SO for short, and set a cooldown timer. Then change the permissions to moderator only by selecting the moderator listing and moving it over to the allowed list. And lastly, make sure the command is set to start location. This means that when the command is used with a username after it, the command will still work since the actual command is at the start despite there being text after it. If you had set this to exact, it wouldn't work. Then hit OK and navigate to your Actions tab. Right-click and make a new action to send a shoutout. For the trigger, we can right-click, core, command triggered, and select the shoutout command. Then, for the action, we need to get the variable that includes the username listed in the command. And in this situation, it's called raw input. So we can right-click, add, Twitch, moderation, send shoutout. And we will use our raw input as a variable by putting 2 %, one before and one after. And now it should work as expected. Keep in mind, this is the very basic version though. If you misspell the person's name or want to do shoutouts back to back, you might experience issues with the timer or what happens when you mess up, so you can add things like action blocking, conditional logic, or even custom code to make sure that it works for every situation. And you can also do things like create automatic raid shoutouts when somebody raids you, or even shoutouts that include info about what the person was last playing. I don't have time to cover all of that today though, so let me know if you want tutorials on those as well.